Hi, this is Bob Neiman from Planet Laundry Magazine, the official publication of the Coin Laundry Association. Are you the proud owner of a remarkable laundromat? Well, if so, the CLA is inviting you to be part of a prestigious international project. Later this year, CLA President and CEO Brian Wallace will be addressing a global audience at the International Coin-Operated Laundry Expo in Tokyo, Japan. And this is a unique opportunity to shine a spotlight on your laundromat, as Brian's presentation will feature high-resolution photos and video tours of some of the leading laundry businesses across the U.S. We encourage laundromats of all sizes, all types, and styles to submit your best photos and videos to showcase your facility's excellence. When creating your submission, please pay special attention to equipment offerings, specific client services, architectural design, style and decor, ancillary profit centers, and really any elements that make your business stand out from the crowd. Are you ready to make your laundromat an international star? Submit your high-quality photos and videos now and be part of this exciting project. Submissions are due by October 1st, and all the information on how to enter is at the URL on your screen. Thanks, and good luck.